What's up guys, today we're back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a POV drive. The reason why I'm doing this video, I'm actually going to be adding some mods to the car. I'm going to be doing some headers, E85 and a tune on it. Really just want to do like the experience and talk about what I liked right with the car, what I would like to change in the future. So I mean, overall the car is stock. If this is the first time you guys watching my channel, I mean the car is a 2022 stock Mach 1. Doesn't really have anything done to it. All it has is an H-pipe right now. I was thinking of upgrading, but since I do want to move to Houston, I decided not to and just put some money into this car, to be honest. So I'm going to be doing some interior stuff as well. Nothing too crazy, but just a few things to make it look a lot cooler. If you're new here, the only things I have done to it right now, so the seats are red. Don't mind the mess. I just got out of work. And that's pretty much it. All I've done is cosmetic mods. I've added the Mach 1 handling package front lip. I added the GT500 spoiler. I feel like it's lacking more noise. Sometimes I feel like I'm driving and it's not loud enough, so that's the reason for the headers. I mean, the tune, I was recommended by a friend, has the same car as me. He let me know to get a tune, and another friend that also they both recommended to do E85 tune, so as well, that way I could actually notice the difference on the car. When it comes to the ride style though, I do have 20-inch wheels on it. I could feel the road. It makes a lot of noise. That's the one thing I don't like about the setup that I currently have right now. Too big. So maybe what I'm thinking of doing in the future is maybe adding some springs to it. God damn, freaking bump. Look at that. What we got over there? It looks like a freaking cartoon drawing. Obviously it's an OBS, but what the heck? Crazy. Yeah, I was just driving around, guys. I want you guys to hear the exhaust. Do a little rev. Actually, let's go follow this port. Let's go have some fun. Porsche 911 Carrera. Got a G35 going crazy over there. The crazy thing is I have a DJI Osmo. I have like the suction cups. I have a mic. And I have another vlog camera, and I don't even use them. I forgot to charge them, and I need to push this video out, so I was gonna put like exhaust clip sounds and stuff like that. But right now I'll go somewhere just to park. That way I can show you guys the outside of the car again, how it's looking right now. I mean, for a stock car, the car runs really good. The suspension's pretty fire. Again, steering's good. I mean, I've actually never changed the steering down here. I always drive on normal mode. I change the exhaust mode most of the times, but again, when it comes to the curves or the handling, you don't really notice it. It doesn't feel like the car wants to get loose, and that's what I like about it. And honestly, same for the power too. So the car's fast. I'm not gonna lie. I came from a 2022 CT4V Blackwing, and that was twin turbo. That was fast, but this has a higher top end. You could definitely feel it. It feels like it doesn't want to stop and it wants to keep going. The power is there. Sometimes though I do like push the gas and sometimes it hesitates, but I guess it's just in the wrong gear. If I were to like downshift with the paddles, then it does pull like a lot more compared to like flooring it sometimes and it being in the wrong gear. So when it comes to the insurance, if you guys are interested, I mean, I'm 25, I'm 24 years old, turn 25 next week. I actually do pay $180 a month on insurance if that's something you guys are interested in or want to compare. I mean, I always shop my insurance every, 6 months. I always find a better rate just to get something lower. But let me do a quick pull right here. Yeah, this thing sounds good, bro. Just the H-pipe on it. Headers is gonna be a little crazy, I'm not gonna lie, but the Coyote engines just sound fire. I was thinking, I'm not gonna lie, I was on Amazon or just like on eBay. I found these plastics in red, but I feel like it's too much red. I'm not gonna lie. It's a little bit, I don't know, I feel like it's tacky. In a few days, I'm also gonna drop a review. I know I mentioned of the few things that I'm gonna be getting, but I do want to get I do want to do a recent pickups video of recent things that I bought. I do love clothes as well. I've always loved shoes. I've always loved clothes. So I'm gonna be doing a recent pickups on recent shoes that I bought, some accessories, and then when it comes to like the car parts as well. I did buy something for the car. Hopefully make it look better to match the seats of the car, right? Because I mean the red, white, and black theme does look fire. A steering wheel too would be pretty cool. This one's could be better. I think the one with another friend of mine with he had a Hellcat back then. He fucking had the shift right here, the lights that would change for you to shift gears. So that was cool. I'm thinking of getting that one too. But I mean, $1,000 for a steering wheel is, I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty hefty. Another thing too, something that I've always wanted. When I first bought this car, I wanted it in manual, but I didn't. Like, I know how to drive manual, but I don't do it often. Where it's like I know how to do it like 100%, you know. So I got the automatic, but now I've been wanting a manual, but there's no point. I mean, I was thinking of switching out to a manual, and I was like, is it really worth it to pay extra and lose out on the amount, obviously, because cars, when you buy them, they lose value so quick. So to me, it's not worth it. So I think I'll just keep the 10-speed. I mean, 10 speeds are faster, they shift faster. I mean, obviously you don't have the experience, but on my next future build, I do want to get a manual car. So I mean, that's cool. It's a benefit. This is my daily driver. I drive it every day. Waste a shitload of gas. When I also bought this car, the door panels were a little bit faded. They added some type of cleaner on it, and it messed it up. This is this side to the spot, that way I can show you guys the build on the outside. Again, for those of you that haven't seen my car, I want to show it to you guys. Alright, so this is the car. All I have is the 20-inch wheels, H-pipe. Again, I installed this spoiler over here. Don't mind the car, it's a fucking mess. It's all shitted on. That's how it sounds right now. So yeah guys, this is basically it for the video. Tune in for the next one. I am going to be doing a video on installing the headers, doing the tune, installing some other things on here, so tune in for that. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't followed me on Instagram already, at Mach1, like Mach 1. I think I actually removed the 1, but I'll catch you guys on the next video.